Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again. I don't even know what day it is anymore. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And if you like this item, all you got to do is click on the link, add it to your cart, check out really fast, and continue back to shop to get this really fast. We'll see what's inside. And you guys can see what other goodies they have to offer. I don't even know what today is. Oh, it's Thursday. There we go. Almost made it through the week. And we have here, oh boy, China. Coming from China, I do believe. We got some gloves. I already got some gloves on, but could always use more gloves. Especially if you're going out to the stores. Especially pumping gas. We got, whoa, jeez. We got some gloves. These are like the Michael Jackson gloves. Oh yeah. I'll try one on. Take these hand. And see how this goes, how it feels and everything. So, it's kind of like the gloves they use for the Stanley Cup. And the other trophies they have. Oh yeah, these feel nice. Kind of like a sock. Ooh. Breathable. I can feel it. Yeah, these will work good. I get a whole stack of these. Oh yeah. This should get me through the next couple weeks, hopefully. And I'll do some unboxings with them now instead of using these guys. See if I can touch. Yeah, I can touch my phone. So I don't need to use this big old gloves anymore. So really cool. Check them out. I'll have the links down below. And you can get them now. Get it fast shipped to you guys. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer besides these gloves. I think this is like a one size fits all type deal. So washable and everything. So time of need. Definitely check these guys out. And I'll have the links down below. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a good day. See you in the next video. See ya.